Hey guys, what's going on? Pablo here, and today we have the Dexnump ceiling fan, Farmhouse ceiling fan with lights. We're actually going to be replacing this light here with it today. We're actually going to be doing it at Nick's house in one of the kids' room. So we're going to install it and see how well it works. Let's get right into it. Light is finally installed. Nick got it up, said it was quite easy to do. A couple of things to note though, if you use the remote on and off, quite quickly it turns on and off, but when you use the switch, I'm gonna come over here, turn it off is easy, but then when you turn it back on, there's a slight delay. Not that it really matters, but just something to note. It does need 2 AAA batteries for this. And you're also gonna need some light bulbs, right? So whatever light bulbs you wanna get for this, definitely go out. We got these kind of Edison style bulbs for here. As for the features of the fan, so you have, let's turn the fan on, which is the button right here in the middle of the fan. And then you also have, little guys over here trying to turn off the light. It's 6-speed fan. 6-speed fan. So we'll turn it back on and turn it to 1, and then we're gonna go later to 6. And it's you have on here a timer feature, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and I believe, let's turn this off so it's not interfering. I believe when you have the app installed, you can get 8 hours of a timer feature, I should say. I don't know what the app is, but it does say app controlled. On the Amazon page, it did say that there is an app, and you can see a little picture of an app. Don't know what the app is, I'll have to find out. Dexnump was nice enough to send this fan out to us to try out. Like I said, Nick said it was pretty easy to turn it on and get it going. Like I said, Nick did say it was pretty easy to install. Make sure though, if you're going from a regular light to a ceiling fan like this, you do have the right supports. So you might have to go out and buy a different support that will actually hold the weight of the fan. I don't have the support that Nick used for this particular fan, but you can probably get those, and he got his at Lowe's. It's a nice fan. It does come with 2 down rods, a 4-inch and an 8-inch. This particular one here is the 4-inch. So the other one, you can imagine, is double that. So it's gonna bring it a little bit lower. But this is perfect for this use case. So right now it's about 7 feet off of the ground. All right, so there you have it. Easy to install, nice looking fan. 4 bulbs, 6 different speeds on the fan. You have the 1, 2, and 4 hour timer. You get the app, you get an 8-hour timer. Everything you need is right here. Get close so you can see that. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this fan. If you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Any questions, put them down in the comments below. Definitely love hearing from you. Subscribe if you haven't. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace. Harley wants to come into his room, so let me get out of here.